So, I just recorded a new song I wrote. Here are the lyrics right down here. Ah! Lyrics to the song. And I actually cleaned my room the other day. So I started cleaning it. I can't say I cleaned it. But, yeah. Let me get up. My hair is a disaster. Anyway, was this thing right here. It's a pimple. It's a pimple. And, yeah. Yeah. It's burning my part now. But, here's what I have so far of my room. It's getting there. Can actually see the floor. So last time I showed you, you could not see the floor. Yeah, here's my timbers hat. I might go outside. It's a little bit rainy and wet and a mess, but I am still outside. I can always wear my rain boots and go outside. I can always do that. Yeah, I've been sitting inside the house all day. Well, most of the day. I guess all day, pretty much. Because it's like 2:44. Sorry, can't really see. But yeah, there's my lyrics. Like there's my headphones, my glasses, and yeah. Oh, and thank you. Also, ta-da! Look at this. It's a blue notebook. Oh my gosh, it's a blue notebook. It's a blue notebook I've been working on. Yep. There's the guitar I was just playing a little while ago. And if you can see, well, you can't really tell, but outside the ground is all wet because it's been raining non-stop all day long. So, yeah, both during this rainy weather today. My hair is a disaster. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a drink of my Coke. I'm drinking Coke. Trying to cut back, but it's not to cut back. Sorry. Habit. I was looking at myself in reflection, or thing up there, or chandelier. But yeah, I might have to clean up the kitchen. And I have pop can box. This thing, full of pop cans. I'm recycling pop cans. Spare money. Cause why not? Yeah. Oh crap! I have to go to the bathroom. So I have to make this short, and maybe I'll do another one in a little bit. Yeah. Here's what I'm wearing like as of right now. Shorts and my Angry Birds t-shirt. Yes. Yep. My hair is a disaster. And see this thing right here? I don't know if you can actually tell. Yeah, you can tell if I get up close, but it ain't back off. You can still see it, but it will. It will. It will. But anyway. Let me move around. I have to charge my phone again. But anyway, so I've got to finish up my room. But I want to go outside. I do. I don't want to be inside all day. Being inside all day, I get in trouble. But I'd rather be outside anyway. My ears all clogged up today. But there's the rainy weather. There's the rainy weather. So I'll talk to the neighbors. Someday. Maybe I'll do one outside. Maybe. But I don't know. Maybe I'll do one with the stuff. Or maybe if I go for a walk, I'll do one then. But